Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the accounting equation for beginners. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. In this video, I'm going to give a basic explanation of the accounting equation and how it works. The accounting equation is composed of three terms: assets equal liabilities plus equity. The equity part is determined by the following formula, which is assets minus liabilities equal equity. The equity section is the residual amount that remains when we subtract all liabilities from all assets. This residual amount can be calculated as follows: total assets minus total liabilities equals equity. This is a fundamental equation in accounting. This formula can be used to break down the balance sheet of any company. The balance sheet equation states that total assets minus total liabilities equal equity. This formula is used to break down the balance sheet of any company. It can only be considered correct if both the total assets and total liabilities are accurate, because they are both considered equal to each other. An example of assets are cash, cash equivalents, and things like CDs, checking accounts, and saving accounts. Property, which could be land, and any permanent structure attached to it is also included. Examples of liabilities: accounts payable are typically for things you owe your suppliers. It also includes principal, interest on a loan that is owed within the next year, salaries and wages due in the next year, as well as notes and income taxes that need to be paid in the next year. Finally, it also includes future mortgage payments. Now, example of equity. The two types of equity are common stock and preferred stock. Common stock is divided into shares, and each share is an equal piece of the company. Preferred stock is a little different than common stock because it acts more like a bond interest of ownership. The person, entity that owns the preferred shares has no voting rights, but they do have a higher rate of return than common shareholders. So that's the explanation on the accounting equation. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.